Introducing the newest range hood from Venmar Chef. Venmar employs the Capture system to provide superior capture over other range hoods and over-the-range microwaves. Capture works through an advanced blower wheel design and a centric inlet that generates faster smoke and odor removal. The forward placement and smooth flow design of the blower wheel ensures quieter operation. When combined with filters designed for high flow, you have best-in-class smoke and odor removal. All filters are tested and rated for efficient grease removal. The Venmar Chef range hoods come with deluxe micromesh filters. In a non-ducted installation, large charcoal filters easily snap onto the back of the grease filter for greater removal of cooking odors. Filtered air is recirculated through hidden louvers and back into the kitchen. Venmar Chef range hoods also provide impressive lighting. This hood uses energy-efficient LED for bright, even lighting over the cooktop. Our LEDs are specially designed to withstand the heat from cooking. That means they'll last many years without dimming or the need for replacement. And that's why we can offer a 3-year warranty. This range hood is equipped with a smooth tap-touch capacitive control. Most Venmar Chef range hoods are ADA compliant with the addition of a standard UL-approved wall switch. And look for the models with our Easy One installation method that make it easy for one person to install in less than half the time. Our range hoods are HVI certified, giving you the confidence of a third-party guarantee on performance and sound level testing. You can depend on Venmar to bring you innovations that make it easy to keep your kitchen free of cooking smoke and odors and quiet enough to spend time with the family.
It features a distinctive curved front shape that softens the unit's profile and accents the basic Italian design. The angled front panel provides comfortable viewing and easy access to the controls. Rest assured, the powerful 600 CFM blower will clear the air beautifully, keeping your kitchen cool and free from smoke and grease. Advanced electronic controls with flush mount easy touch buttons and a sleek LCD display allow easy operation of the dual level halogen lights and the 4-speed blower. Plus offers convenience features such as clock, countdown timer, and cling filter reminder. It will even turn on automatically if the heat gets too high. Elica's optimized aspiration systems ensure quiet operation even at top speed, allowing you to comfortably talk and entertain while cooking. Enjoy superior fit and finish, plus heavy-duty stainless steel filters with patented micro-hole design, capture more grease, require less cleaning, and enhance the hood's overall appearance. Filter removal is literally a snap, and the dishwasher makes cleaning effortless.